Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create avatar on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Snapchat application. Once you open Snapchat, then you need to click on your profile at the left top corner. Then you need to click on create my avatar, and then you need to select with male or female. I'm going to select male. You can center your face with, and you need to select from these options, or you can click on skip, so you can select your skin tone from here. I'm going to select this one. Then I need to click on save. Yes, and here it will show me different outfits. I'm going to select this one. I'm select different types of shoes. If I want, I'm going to select this one, and here you will, then you need to click on tick, and then you need to click on save avatar. So you can see that how easily I create my avatar on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.